Hey y'all, this is Anthony from Rockin' Prints, and thanks for watching this video. In this tutorial, we are going to work with a company called Printful. So stick around to the very end to get the best benefit of this tutorial. And please remember to like and subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and let's go ahead and get this started.
To the next level.
Hey guys, this is Rockin' Prints, and today I want to show you in this tutorial a company I use to help generate money for me. When I do vinyl, and there's sometimes I get customers that just want screen printing. I don't have a screen printing system in my home, so I resort to this company here, and this company actually does the printing for me. All I got to do is just upload a design, and then from here this company will place it on the t-shirt, do the screen printing for me with my design, and then they'll package and ship it out to the customer, which is pretty cool. So here, I just want to show you how I do this. So if you go to product and templates right here, you can see all the designs that I've made, and you can create your own product. Okay, so create more products and templates, you click there, and here's what it does for you. It gives you options: men's clothing, women's, kids, hats, accessories, home living, collections, and brands. It gives you different types. So if you wanted to create something, just simply go to the shirt that you want to start, and it'll give you variations of shirts that you can upload your project on. So just for an example, we'll do this one, this unisex basic soft style t-shirt. It's a Gildan 64,000, and its starting price is $7.95. We'll click that. Here, if you don't have a system at home like CorelDRAW, you can use their own system. Okay, so you can add a text, or you can go to premium images if you have the account. You can actually add stuff onto your shirt. Okay, but in this design we can just actually add a text. Okay, and we'll just put we can just put anything, you know, so we'll just put live, love, life. Alright, and it gives you options of different fonts, so you can make the fonts that you want. Okay, and here you just want to change the color of the text. We're going to make it white since it's going to be on a black t-shirt, and you can just move it up where you want the design to be. And we can arch it too. Okay, then after that you can go back to your project. You can add some clip art. And post anything else you want it to be on that shirt. This one looks cool. And we're going to make that color white. Well, see how quick that is? A very fast project that you can put together. And now that I got the t-shirt that I want in the design that I have, you can put stuff on the left sleeve, you can put it on the right sleeve, and you can even put your own logo inside here. Okay, so I have my own logo, in there. I can add my logo to my shirt, and there is an upcharge on that for $2.49 to put your logo, but I think it's worth it. That way people, you're also sending your brand out to your customers. Okay, so once you do that, you just want to hit continue, and then here is where you can select your sizes. I'm just going to select all, and then it'll upload your shirt. So once it's uploaded, you just add it to a store. So I have two stores. One is with Shopify, and the other one is with Etsy. And you can click on it. So this one I'm going to drop down into my Etsy store, and then it tells you want to proceed to mockups. So if you don't have a mockup system, they have mockups for you. So you can just pick which one you want, and you can use these mockups. So in this particular case, I'm just going to pick this guy right here, and we're going to hit proceed to details, and then right here you would want to put your own description. So we're going to put love, right? Life. I'm sorry, I put live, love, life. And then you just want to write great shirt gift for your family and friends to enjoy. Okay, now that you got that, you want to tag your shirt. Okay, you want to give it some tags. We'll just put men's t-shirt, and you're allowed to put 13 max tags, but I'm just showing you this video as an example. We can type in the 13 later. And it is a unisex t-shirt. Product selections here in Etsy, it'll drop your shirt wherever you want it. So I'm gonna put it in men's. Well, it's a unisex, so I'm gonna put it with unisex, and I don't have that. I'll have to get that adjusted in there. In the meantime, I'll drop it in my men's display, and we're gonna go to the pricing. So here's the cool part. You can make your shirt as much as you want it. Okay, in this particular shirt, I'm gonna make it. I want to generate my income to be $5. So we're gonna make it $16 for a t-shirt. Okay. And now that I got my pricing set up, we'll just go to submit to store, and it said added new product to store. Okay, so now that my product's in my store, I can go to my Etsy account and I can look up my store now. I can go to my listings, and they always drop your listings into a draft here, and they'll show you your product. So now I have my product, and it's telling me to add some photos here. So now that my product's inside the store, we can just drop photos. But what you want to do is go back to Printful. You want to click on view, okay, and you want to do download mockups. Okay, so now you can select more mockups for your shirts, and then you can just you can pick more mockups. That way you have enough mockups to add onto your Etsy store. So after that, I always do it in JPEG because the pictures come out the way the background of the picture comes out right. So we're going to generate the mock-ups, and this is what I'm talking about. We'll go back to Etsy. Okay, so now that my zip file's there, we're just going to open it. And then what I do is I just capture all of them and I copy and I'll put them on my desktop. Okay. And now that they're on my desktop, I can go back to my Etsy store and just start adding these photos in. So what I'm going to do here is go to my desktop, and there I have my mock-ups. Okay, so we'll click on this one, we'll open, and it'll insert. And if you do it as a PNG file, you might not get the background. It'll be a black display. That's why I always choose JPEG for mine. And you just start adding these pictures, and just start filling up your slots to give the customer more poses of the way the shirt can look on different types of people. And make them more interested in your product. And we'll do the last one. Okay. All right, so now that you wrote all your descriptions in here, you just got to answer some of the questions. So it's telling me what size options are there, and I offer more than one. And your primary color is black. Your secondary color, we'll just use white because it had a white background. The text is in white. Clothing style, it is actually we're just going to put streetwear, and there's no occasion, so it's not a special shirt. Sleeve length, we're just going to use short sleeve. And then it says renewal options. Do you want it to keep auto marketing your shirt? So in my case, I'm just going to use it manually. I want to see how this shirt does, if it doesn't. And then on the bottom, you want to use Printful to let the customer know that this is a product that you didn't make at your home. You're actually using an outside service to make the shirt for you. So once that's on, lastly you go to variations and click sizes. And up here to your right, you're going to see where it says link photos. So when somebody's looking on it on their iPhone or their phone, you can actually insert a picture. You're uploading more pictures to so they can see during the pricing. Okay. And lastly, you can put the weight. I mean, this is really if you're sending it to the customer yourself. But if not, you just scroll down here where it says marketing want to promote this listing, and you're going to say yes, and it's going to hit publish. Okay. Sometimes you'll get this pop-up that you need to fill out, but if you just click it again, it'll go ahead and push it through. So there's a non-refundable fee for 20 cents for each new listing. So we're going to do that. We're going to just hit publish, and now you can go back to your dashboard and you can click on your listings, and now your shirt is actually inside your store ready for purchase. So something, I just wanted to throw this quick tutorial out there because sometimes you just don't have the money to buy the equipment you need, but there's so much stuff out there now that you don't even need equipment in your home. Okay, you can use this service. Yeah, all you need is just to create something unique to put on a t-shirt, and then you can go ahead and do all the steps that I did and then post it onto your Etsy store or your Shopify store if you have a store, and you can upload this as much as you want and start your store that way. Okay, so if those of you who are looking to create a business online, this is another great opportunity that's out there that you can use. And like I said, you don't need equipment. Okay, so with that, hope y'all enjoyed this video, and come again and check out my affiliate link if you're interested in learning more about Printful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next week. Peace.